Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by enabling tasks in Google Calendar and creating the first task. This gets your workflow moving. Open Calendar, reveal the task's sidebar, and click Add Task. Once done, name the task, assign a date and optional time so it appears on your daily view, and choose which calendar to attach it to for cross-device sync. Make sure to set priority in the title or description so you find it quickly later. This also establishes the habit of logging tasks directly into Calendar. You now enrich the task. Click into details to add notes, links, attachments, and checklists that clarify the work. Once done, create subtasks for each actionable step so you can check progress without making separate tasks. Make sure to set reminders, push or email, and configure repeat rules for recurring items because that automates follow-up. If you use labels or separate calendars, color code tasks to visually separate categories. This helps you scan priorities quickly. You finish by managing and completing tasks directly from Calendar. Mark completed items or drag them to a new date to reschedule. Once done, edit repeat patterns and move tasks between calendars when priorities change so your schedule stays accurate. If tasks don't sync or disappear, make sure your account permissions allow calendar access, force refresh the app, and check that you're signed into the same Google account across devices. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.